you today. Look at our camel. Let's draw a desert, kids. We're going to start by drawing our camel with a big hump on his back. And then we're going to do his legs one by one like that. Have you ever been to the desert? Oh, I have. It's super hot and super dry. But these camels are amazing because they can live without water for ages. Let's do our eye, our ears, and our hoofs. Our saddle. A few stripes here and there. Tassels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Now let's draw the desert surroundings. We're going to draw a few little rocks here and there. Some pyramids in the background. Maybe a palm tree with a nice long bendy trunk. Horizontal lines going all the way up. Where do you think the camel is? Maybe Egypt? That's where they have pyramids, isn't it? Actually, pyramids are all over the world. Did you know that? But we definitely know they're in Egypt. 5 gorgeous zigzaggy leaves for our palm tree, with a line going down the middle of each one, slightly varying the size of each leaf to give a little bit of perspective for our bending palm tree. Now we're going to draw the hot, hot, hot sun, with the rays all the way around. Wow, ready to paint! Let's start with a sandy yellow colour. Painting our main ground, going around our oval shapes that we've drawn on there. That's it, you're doing a great job. Keep it up. Around the black lines, side to side. Now, where do they have deserts in the world? Can you think? I know that they have them in Africa, and they definitely have them in America. How about Australia? They have loads of desert in Australia. In fact, most of Australia is a desert land. But majority of people live around the edges. That's right, they live by the sea mostly. And it's very much desert in the middle. How about Pakistan and India? Definitely deserts there. It's just going around our final 3 oval shapes there. There you go. This is the biggest part to paint. And then the rest is easy, easy peasy. Almost done. That's it. Keep going. And there. Brilliant. Going for a dark sandy colour now for our rocks. Lovely. And there you go. Let's go for a slightly darker sandy colour for our pyramids. It's almost a brown. You see how we're using slightly different shades of the same colour? It gives a really lovely effect. Bright green for our palm tree base and leaves. Painting carefully in between those jaggedy edges. How many leaves do we need to paint? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, well done. 5 leaves. Now dark brown for our tree trunk. Nice and narrow strokes, staying in between the lines. Perfect. And yellow for our sun. Our hot, hot, sparkly yellow sun. Now let's go with some peachy colour for our camel. It's almost like a rose gold, isn't it? What a gorgeous colour. Painting carefully around the tassels, along the legs. That's it. You're doing really well. Well done. You've nearly done it already. Now let's just do the final bit of the leg, onto the neck. Have you ever ridden a camel? Oh, I have. It was amazing. They're so gorgeous. carefully painting around the nostril and the eye there. Purple is going to go on our camel hump. And brown for the tip of his tail. And his ears. And don't forget the nostril. And we're going to do every other tassel yellow and the top stripe yellow too. Let's mix that with pink. Pink for the second stripe. And green next. Green for the third stripe. And the other tassels. Now red for our fourth and final stripe. Yay! We've done it! A gorgeous camel with a sparkly rainbow saddle in the desert. Look at that!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!